Hi, early birds. I cannot believe it. This is going to be my last video since it's the last week of school. Today I'm going to read y'all one of my favorite books that I read on the last day. I so wish that we could be in person together so I could give you all one more hug goodbye before school ended. But I'm so glad I get to send you a video. This book is called I Wish You More. You see two sight words, I and you? All right. I wish you more. I wish you more ups than downs. I wish you more give than take. I wish you more tippy toes than deep. I wish you more we than me. I wish you more hugs than Uggs. I wish you more woohoo than whoa. I wish you more will than hill. I wish you more can than not. I wish you more snowflakes than tongue. I wish you more pause than fast forward. I wish you more umbrella than rain. I wish you more bubbles than bath. I wish you more treasures than pockets. I wish you more stories than stars. I wish all of this for you because you are everything I could wish for and more. Each one of you are so, so special to me, and I hope that if you're ever up at the school picking up your brother or sister, you come say hi to me. I'm going to miss having you in my early birds class so much. I love all of you so much, and I can't wait to see you again. Bye.